Hello and welcome to another video. Um, Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to scalp volatility 75 index on the 1 minute time frame. I have V75 on my 1 minute time frame. Okay, and I'm trying to scalp this buy position. Okay, now I have four windows. The first window, which is my main chart, is my main chart. Now this indicator window 1, this indicator window 2, and this indicator window 3. Okay, so how does this strategy work? The way the strategy works is on the main chart. I have moving averages, so many moving averages, and when price is above all the moving averages like we have around here, that's when I aim to buy. Okay, when price goes above every moving average, I scalp buy. I scalp some buy position around there. Okay, so many moving averages on the main chart, but always aim for when price is above. This is the trend moving average. Okay, when all other moving average crosses above the trend moving average around here. Okay, you have every moving average trying to cross above the trend moving average around here, and at some point you have everything completely crossing. You have all the moving averages completely crossing above the trend moving average, which happened around here. Okay, so you can start to scalp start your scalp from somewhere around here. Okay, when price actually stays above all the moving averages, you buy, scalp buy around there. Then for sell, you have all moving averages below the trend moving average. Okay, this is the trend moving average. You have all moving averages crossing above, then going down below. Okay, then also bouncing above, still above, then at some point they all go down below. Let's get to where they all go down below. It's ranging. If you look at the screen, this is the trend moving average here, and all other moving averages are ranging around the trend moving average. Okay, you have all other moving averages ranging around the trend moving average. You can see. Okay, so at some point all moving averages will go down below the trend, but at this point all moving averages went up above the trend, so you can scalp buy at this point. You scalp some profits, or you place your buy trade somewhere around here, and then you scalp your profits when price dips back into all the moving averages, which happen around here. That's when you close your trade and scalp off some profits. Okay, now you have all the moving averages going below the trend moving average around here. Okay, there's the trend moving averages. These are the trend moving averages. Okay, you can see the projection of the trend moving averages around there. This is the trend. That's particular point where I placed the green shape. That's your trend moving average. And you can see all other moving averages going below it somewhere around here. So you can start to scalp, sell somewhere around here. And then you can see what happened. You can see price going into the moving averages around there, and you can see it dropping, like a breakout, breaking out below, and then you start continue your scalp. At this point, you can take your profit when it goes in, okay, and it appears to range. But when it drops below all other moving areas, somewhere around here, you can continue your scalp. If it goes back in, you stay action. But when it drops below, when price start to drop below all other moving averages, like you have around here, you can scalp sell. So you can scalp sell only when price drops below all other moving averages, okay, like you have around here. You take some profit, okay. So that's the way you use the moving averages on the main chart. Now for indicator window 1, you buy when you have the relative strength index line. When you have it moving and crossing the mid line at the 50, that's when you buy. And then you sell when it crosses below the midline, okay. You buy when it crosses above, okay. You sell when it crosses below, okay. So that's the way it works. All right. So for indicator window 2, the way the strategy works is you sell when the first index indicator line crosses below the 0 level, and then you buy when it crosses above the 0 level. We are on the 1 minute time frame. This is just for short scalp, short, quick profit scalp. You buy here, you sell when it crosses down. So you have to allow, you make sure you allow the alignment with all other windows, okay. Allow alignment with all other, okay, like you have a buy signal here, okay. So we are about having a sell signal around here, okay. So that's the way it works. Now for indicator window 3, you sell at the point of cross when the black line cross down on the red line, okay. The black line cross down on the red line within the envelope, okay. And you buy when the black line cross above, like you have a cross above somewhere around here. You have a cross above somewhere around here. Okay, let's look for another. Okay, you have a cross above somewhere around here. That's when you buy. Okay, you have the black line crossing above the red line, also crossing above the what's it called? The midpoint of the envelope. This is the upper envelope. This is the upper envelope, and this is the lower envelope band. Okay, so you see the black line crossing above the red line, okay. At the midpoint, this is your midpoint. That's where you place your buy position, okay. So that's it. You can see it crossing above the red line, and also at the midpoint of the envelope band. Cross it above the red line, also at the midpoint of the envelope band. That's where you buy, okay. But for sell, you can see what's happening here. Crossing below, also at the midpoint. The black line is the signal determinant. Crossing below and also at the midpoint. So crossing above for buy and also around the midpoint, okay. Crossing above the red line and also around the midpoint. Then for sell, crossing below and also around the midpoint. That's where you look for sell signal. Of course, you check that in line with what is happening on indicator window 2. So check that in line with what's happening on indicator window, and then also check in line with what is happening on the main chart. So that's the way the strategy works. You try to combine all the signals, okay, that happened across all the windows. Okay, so the zoom level, I think it should be zoom level 1. This is 0, and the next level is 1. Okay, you can use 1, you can use 2, you can use 3, but you may not be able to use 0 because it's very tiny, and you may not be able to use 4 because it's very wide. Okay, you can see I'm trying to scalp some profits. Okay, the trade is in profit. Okay, so I can close this buy trade anytime I like. Okay, and take some profit. But I expect price to continue to go up. Now let's look at the parameters. It's quite a long list. Okay, first we have fractals. The first moving average, we have 100 EMA. The color is orange. Second moving average, we have 850. This 850 EMA, color is blue, is part of the trend identifying moving averages. Okay, then the third one is 240 EMA, color is black. Then the fourth one is 150 EMA, color is orange. Color is pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one is 50 EMA, color is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth one is 55 EMA, color is also green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh one is 60 EMA, color is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is 65 EMA, color is also green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is 70 EMA, color is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is 75 EMA, color is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11th is 145 EMA, color is pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is 140 EMA, color is pink. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is 135 EMA, color is pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Okay, so the 15 one is, okay, excuse me, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. The 14th one is 130 EMA, right? Color is pink. And the 15th one, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. 15 is 125 EMA, color is also pink. Okay, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. 16 is 10 EMA, color is black. 20, 19, 18, 17. 17 is 21 EMA, color is black. 20, 19, 18. 18 is 30 EMA, color is black. 20, 19. 19 is 825 EMA, color is yellow. If you remember, the 850 EMA color is blue, one of the first or second Second moving averages, I mentioned that it is part of the trend identifying moving average. This is the second trend identifying moving average. The first one is 850, color is blue. This second one is 825 EMA, color is yellow. And the last, I think the last moving average on the main chart is 875 EMA, color is blue. So the first one is 850, second one is 825, third one is 875. These three moving averages, when all other moving averages on the main chart, when all other moving averages on the main chart cross above this particular moving average, three moving averages. I'm talking about these three moving averages. When all other moving averages on the main chart cross above it, okay, then you can look for scalp buy. Okay, that means the trend has changed for a bullish trend. Okay, so those are the most critical moving averages on the main chart. Now let's go to indicator window 1. For indicator window 1, we have relative strength index. Let's look at the parameters. The period is 10, applied to close, and the color is blue. Now we have levels. Okay. The first one is 80. Second one is 75. We have 70. We have 30. We have 25. We have 20, and we have 50. Okay. Then the indicator window 2, we have force index. Let's look at the parameters. The period is 13. The method is simple. The volumes is thick. The upper band color is red. And then the level is 0. Color of the level is black. Okay. And that's that for force is the force index indicator window. Okay. Now the next one is indicator window 3, which is the last indicator window. We have average directional movement index. Okay. And the parameters are, the period is 20. Now the color of the style is 4. Of course, there will be no color for plus D1 and minus D1, no color. Then the level, we have 26 and 25, color is black. So that is the parameters for the indicators. This strategy is a very good strategy. You like it. Make sure you backtest. Check it in line with what has happened in history on your chart before you start to use it. And if you are going to start to use this strategy, make sure you use it on a demo account. See if it works for you. See if it helps you to make profit. Okay, it's for scalping. Okay, it's for scalping because we are on a 1 minute time frame. You can use it on any time frame. You can use this strategy on any time frame. But if you want to make quick profit, you can use it on the 1 minute time frame. It gives you a clearer picture on how to decide if you are going to scalp buy or if you are going to scalp sell. All right, that's that for today's strategy. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel, okay, so that you get to see more of our videos. Okay, also click the like button. Like this video, click the like button, then click the bell button below the video for notification. You can also drop your comments, ask questions. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. Then you can go to our website, www.binfxtrader.com, to learn more on how to trade Forex and volatility index. You can also go to another website of ours, which is fxfables.com, on how to trade Forex and volatility index. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.